Good evening. This is one of the power supply. So this is came with dead condition from one of my technician, my site technician. There is only PFC and one LLC power supply. PFC and one LLC power supply. Listen here. So only two transformers available. One is PFC single transistor, another one is a LLC power supply. Only two transformers available. For this two transistor, see here, two transistor and PWM creator IC, both were failure. So I try to fix this module. So double FET module to LLC module. Small complication in there. Small complication. This module is designed for. This module is specially designed for 395 voltage input only. This one is 395 input only. So in standby mode we are getting only 320 voltage. 320 voltage. This is very complication to start the power supply because there is no starting power supply SM in there. So it is not having starting power supply in there. Just wait, I will show in another. So this one is old one. This one is old one. PFC circuit available and LLC also available. This one is starting power supply. So whenever you are input the AC voltage, first you are getting the 3.3 volt or 5 volt from here. That voltage is for motherboard to operate the microprocessor, and whenever we releasing the standby mode, we are getting standby voltage, and that PFC is get operated, we are getting 395 voltage here. Then only the LLC power supply started to work. This is the procedure. Old type. This one is we are had three transformers, one PFC starting power supply and LLC. So this is the procedure. So nowadays we are using new technology, only PFC and LLC. So yeah, the LLC is for current rating only we are using, for current rating. In this case, in standby mode, LLC power supply only get started with low ampere, After that, whenever we are releasing from standby to on mode, on that mode, that main filter capacitor voltage will be 390 or 395 voltage. After that only module this module get started to work. The design is like that. So I changed small alteration in there. So this is PFC. The module is connected here. The module is connected. See here, this black and brown is ground. 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 Yellow and orange. Yellow and orange. This two is connected in main filter. Main filter. Main filter. After that blue color wire, this blue wire is connected with SM transformer winding. SM transformers winding, right? And then the white wire is VCC for IC. VCC for IC. So we are having auxiliary winding here. The auxiliary winding voltage about 16 volt. About 16 volt. That voltage is connected for this IC, PWM creator IC. So the primary session is finished. Secondary, for regulating we are connect two wires with optocoupler, that is connected secondary side pin number 1 and 2. For that I removed the 2 pins 1 and 2 back side, right? So I am going to on the set. The meter is connected for main capacitor. This one is for secondary voltage. This one is for secondary voltage. For secondary. Now I am going to on the set. So now the power is connected. In capacitor we are had here 321 voltage, but there is no output from SMBS. This is LLC power supply. The module is designed for 395 voltage only. So how can we switch on this power supply? Small trick. This is the VCC voltage. That white is VCC voltage. See here, I am measure the voltage. There is no voltage. For that I am connecting a resistance from main capacitor. The set is in on condition. So see here, 326. From there I am connecting a resistance 100k. 100k. See here, so I am getting 13 volt. PFC module also, PFC also get started. See here, I'm connecting the resistance. Okay, now I am connected the voltage here. Okay, I'm getting 12 volt, but the can voltage is 323 only. Now the set is on with 323 voltage only. Listen here, 323 voltage only. So before I am connecting this resistance, it will not on. This resistance, it will not on. It will not started the power. Okay, what is the reason? The operating voltage for this IC, it is not created. Why? Whenever you are receiving 395 voltage, then only we are getting the voltage for this IC, auxiliary voltage. So now we connected the starting voltage. This is the old method. From CAN we are connecting 220k resistance for starting voltage for PWM creating IC. Okay, same manner I am connected 100k resistance from the CAN. Now we are get started the power supply. The voltage is first voltage is 12 volt low voltage, and backlighting voltage is 21 voltage. Now I am going to release from standby. The 12 volt I am releasing from 12 volt. I am connected. So 12 volt is started to 14 volt. The PFC started, so we are getting 385 voltage, 14 volt. Now the backlight operating voltage is 21 volt. Now I am switch off to standby. This is drive voltage, LED drive voltage. This one is motherboard supply voltage. The small modification, only one resistance connected. Now the LLC module get started. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.